The newborn universe erupts in a storm of fire, a place so hot that even atoms cannot exist. Only pure energy fills the cosmos. As the universe expands and stretches space itself, energy condenses into protons and neutrons, the first building blocks of everything to come. Slowly, the fury subsides. Nature begins to find its rhythm. Gravity, electromagnetism, and the nuclear forces start to dance in harmony. But not all can endure. Free neutrons decay into protons, quietly shaping the chemistry that will define the universe's future. Amid the cooling chaos, the cosmos struggles to create. It tries to forge bonds, but the heat tears them apart as fast as they appear. Until, after countless failures, one fragile bond holds. Deuterium, the first stable nucleus, survives the fire. From this victory, fusion begins anew. Deuterium joins others, forming helium-3, then helium-4, the first true steps in the cosmic chain of creation. Helium-4 takes shape, stable, enduring, and beautiful. At last, the universe has forged its first lasting atom. In mere minutes, a quarter of all matter becomes helium. The great fire that once raged now softens into a golden sea of light. And then, silence. The cosmic forge grows still. Heavier elements cannot yet form. The universe must wait for another fire. Yet faint sparks remain, the dying embers of creation, glowing weakly as the last reactions fade. From these fading flames, a few rare atoms of lithium emerge, fragile traces within a sea of gold. At last, the universe holds its first ingredients: 3 parts hydrogen, 1 part helium, and whispers of lithium. As it grows, space continues to stretch and cool. The distance between atoms widens, and the fire gives way to stillness. Then, for the first time, light is free. The fog lifts, and the universe becomes transparent. Helium drifts through the darkness, carrying within it the fading warmth of the Big Bang itself. The once burning cosmos now dims. The fire that filled everything fades as the universe becomes vast, cold, and quiet. Hydrogen and helium now float through the dark, silent and waiting, the raw material of future stars. In only 20 minutes, the first elements have formed, and at last, the universe rests. Still, the echoes of the Big Bang linger, ripples of ancient light remembering the fire that gave them life. Hydrogen and helium drift apart like glowing embers scattered across an endless night. The universe keeps expanding, growing colder, quieter, darker. The great forge has fallen asleep. In this calm, the newborn atoms wander for millions of years, untouched, unseen, alone. But even in silence, gravity awakens. Its invisible pull begins to gather matter once more. Slowly, streams of gas stretch across the void, weaving a vast cosmic web, the hidden skeleton of all future galaxies. Within this web, gravity continues its patient work, pulling hydrogen and helium into thickening clouds, growing heavier with time. Over hundreds of millions of years, these clouds collapse inward, their weight pressing heat back into their hearts. The universe grows tense again, holding its breath as darkness deepens, waiting for the first light to return. And in that silence, gravity's work nears completion. The first stars are ready to ignite. From the fire came form, hydrogen, helium, and lithium. The chaos of creation has become the seed of structure. These elements now drift farther apart, cooling, waiting for their next transformation. For millions of years, the cosmos lies in darkness, a vast, quiet ocean without a single star to break the night. Yet gravity never sleeps. Slowly, it draws the drifting gas back together, shaping the framework of what's to come. In that deep stillness, something stirs again, the universe drawing a slow, patient breath before creation begins anew. Faint glimmers appear in the distance, the first whispers of light returning to a darkened sky. The universe holds its breath once more. A spark is coming, one that will change everything. And then, at last, light returns. The first stars are born, and a new chapter of the universe begins.